Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my Diamond Crew. What's going on? Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, you guys. Well, the first job that I have laid out for you guys is a job from Global Solutions, TSD Global. And they have job positions that are open, onshore, open positions for the U.S., and they have offshore open positions for countries on the outside of the U.S. So today we're going to go ahead and get started with the virtual order taking specialist job, and I will leave the link down in the description below for all of these jobs. They're all on one page, so it's easy to find and navigate throughout the website. I love that. And the first thing we're going to be looking into is work from home from all these states that are hiring in these states. The first state is Alabama, and next will be Indiana, Texas, Tennessee, North Carolina, South Carolina, West Virginia, Utah, Idaho, Iowa, Louisiana, and Missouri. So this is a virtual order taking specialist job, restaurant, work from home. Flourish in a fast-paced career, all from the comfort and convenience of your home. TST Global has openings for part-time work from home restaurant order taking specialists, and set part-time and weekend schedules will be determined at the point of interview on a case-by-case basis. Limited full-time opportunities may be available. So hop on it, you guys. Limited full-time opportunities may be available. The work is exciting and we make it fun. An order solutions call center representative or call center agent takes inbound calls from customers answering questions or addressing any concerns they may have in processing their order through systems access provided. Their duties include handling many inbound calls to and from iconic restaurant chain customers, active listening to customers' needs, and processing an order for the customer's requests while upselling with add-ons to orders. We offer a variety of part-time schedule offerings and opportunities to earn full-time, limited full-time opportunities, weekly pay. It is a weekly pay job. It's not a bi-weekly pay job, but I know times are hard for some people, and not everybody is going through. But weekly pay is a plus, especially now today in our economy. A 4 base hourly pay increases during your first year of employment. Weekly bonus potential, which can lead to increased total compensation on top of hourly rate. 100% paid virtual training, so they will pay you guys throughout training. Significant fast track advancement opportunities into virtual leadership, training, quality, and workforce management roles. 95% of remote from home managers promoted from within. 401k plan, 100% match of for full-time or part-time. Medical, dental, and vision insurance after only 90 days for full-time. So after 3 months of being with the company, you'll get medical, dental, and vision insurance after only 90 days for full-time. Up to $50 equipment reimbursement, and up to $22 monthly internet stipend. Wow, that's amazing. They even pay for like reimbursement for your equipment, and they give you a monthly internet stipend to chip in for those who qualify. They will help you get set up with all of that. Requirements must be in Indiana, Texas, Tennessee, once again, Iowa, North Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Idaho, West Virginia, Utah, South Carolina resident. Must complete a video interview. Link will be emailed if selected. Private and secure workspace at home, free from background noise and distractions. Getting back with making a complete video interview, make sure you have an email address that they can reach you at when you finish filling out the application, so that they can send you an email link for a video interview if you are selected for this job. It's a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful job. Okay. Previous restaurant and or customer service experience, including but not limited to server, bartender, host, hostess, drive-through, catering, and or overall customer service call center experience, highly preferred. Excellent interpersonal and verbal skills, clear dictation, tone, and knowledge, use of proper grammar, great active listening skills, strong rapport building skill, ability to connect with customers, empathetic and patient attitude while focused on goals, strong time management and organizational skills, adaptability and flexible, able to cross-train on multiple programs, comfortable working in a fast-paced environment while managing daily performance metrics, troubleshooting skill, either basic or average depending on previous experience, phone skills including familiarity with complex or multi-line phone systems, point of sale systems, and CRM systems, sales and suggestive restaurant upselling experience, highly preferred, successful customer service or call center experience with upselling, proven record of great attendance and demonstrating collaboration skills as a team player, knowledge, experience of call center work style and ethic, a plus, positive and energetic personality with a desire to help customers and provide an excellent customer service experience. Ability to take customer calls and provide accurate, satisfactory answers to their queries and concerns while converting the call to an order placed. Must be able to communicate effectively with customers, management, and coworkers. Ability to de-escalate situation if needed, involving dissatisfied customers, offering patient assistance and support. Guide callers through troubleshooting, navigating the client's menus. Strong desire to be helpful and take ownership and resolve customer situations. Use of provided customer relationship management, tools to research inquiries and document customer interactions. Receive and respond to inbound customer inquiries via phone while updating internal computer applications and systems. Ability to multitask by reading, typing, and navigating through applications while speaking. Good computer skills. Ability to navigate and successfully use assigned systems based on job requirements. Must pass a background check. Must be willing to work weekends and holidays during peak call volume. Must be flexible. Technical requirements. Must provide your own computer, internet connection, direct wired connection. Minimum of 25 megabits per second download and 10 megabytes per second upload of DSL, fiber optic, or cable. No dial-up, satellite, and mobile broadband connections. Windows 10 desktop or laptop. Current on all security updates. High quality noise cancellation. Wired USB headset. Dual screen setup. A separate 19-inch monitor with 1280 by 1024 minimum resolution. This does not include monitors associated with an all-in-one AIO unit. Webcam. Free space of 5 gigabytes. Process speed. Dual core 2 gigahertz or better, must be using AMD or Intel processor with dual core 2 gigahertz or better. MacBook, Chromebook, and Snapdragon processors are not acceptable. RAM required 4 gigabytes. Antivirus, full versions of Windows Defender or Essentials. To apply to this job, email you your details to this is the email address that you can go ahead and to apply for this job, email your details. Go straight here, jobs1544@tsdglobal.com. Ooh, excuse me. But yes, this is the job, and I will give you guys the link so you can easily apply throughout the link. Go to careers and and you'll see all of the jobs that are accepting application and they're currently hiring, and there are high demands. So you guys, this job stated when I first pulled it up for you guys. It says limited time, full-time opportunities are maybe available. So you guys jump on this job as virtual order taking specialist, restaurant, work from home. So good luck, and that's it for this video, and I wish you luck, Diamond Crew, Diamond Squad. Y'all got it going on. Let's go. You can do this. You got this. Speak it into existence. It shall be yours. It will be yours. Just grab onto it. The opportunities are there. Hurry, guys. It's very limited. That's it for this video. Bye.